Hello, I am Robbie, and I will be answering the graph characteristics question for Mr. Vong's pre-cal grade 12 class. The question reads, for the function q of x equals x to the power x to the exponent 5 minus 3x squared plus 9x, use the degree and the sign of the leading coefficient to describe the end behavior of the corresponding graph. State the name, degree, leading coefficient, possible number of x-intercepts, and the value of the y-intercept. The first step to answering this question is to find the end behavior. Since it starts with a positive leading coefficient and it's to a odd degree, we know that the end behavior will be negative to positive. From the third quadrant to the first quadrant. The second thing it asks for is the name. The name of a graph to the degree of 5 is a quintic graph. The next thing it asks for is the degree. The degree is the highest exponent, and the highest exponent is 5, so it's the 5th degree. The next thing it asks for is the leading coefficient. Since there's no sign and no number, we can tell that the leading coefficient is positive 1. The next thing it asks for is the possible number of x-intercepts. To find this, we simply look at the degree. There are 5 possible x-intercepts. And the final thing it asks for is the value of the y-intercept. We look at the last number that doesn't have an x value. Since there is none, we can tell that the y-intercept is 0. And there we go. We have answered the question.